Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So I'm currently still down in Wales in Somerset. I said in my last video that I would show you how my 12-volt shower works and how it's set up. Now is a good time for me to do it. As you can see, the van's in full use for the last couple of days. I went to the shower for about a week or two. No, I'm only joking. But basically I thought now would be a good time to do it. Firstly, what I'm going to do, because I've got a container full of water down here, 10-litre container. I've just filled it up with cold water. For those of you interested, I have been taking a shower in my dad's caravan whilst I've been down here, so yeah, don't worry about that. I've taken a container just out of the bottom of here, which is where my other waste container is. So I've got a 10-litre waste, 10-litre storage container for my pod. So yeah, going to use that for this. And the first thing I'm going to do is shut this door, because the idea is to put the shower on the fake window at the back. Now I was going to do it on the tailgate, but the problem is I think I'm just going to get everything wet down here, so I think it's best I set this up here. First thing I should do actually is the second thing now. Take this kit out of the bag and show you what's in here. Let's have a look. So I have used it once as a test, but for those of you that haven't seen one before, here we go. Let me put this down actually, it might just make it a little bit easier for you to see. So here we have the portable shower head. Now, important thing about this, when they arrive, most of them have like a rubber sort of washer and grommet, which you should put straight in here, because if you don't, you're going to get water leaking out everywhere. On the head itself, you've got a minimum setting and a maximum setting, so obviously you can adjust the power of it. And then if I unravel it, so this is the submersible pump. You basically just drop this in your water, so I'll do that in a sec, and that needs to be ideally at the bottom of your tank, because if you have it at the top, the time you use the first bit of water, it's going to run out and then you're going to be annoyed. And then we've got the on and off switch, nice rubber coated high quality switch here, as you can see, works a dream. And then the other thing we got is the 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, which I'm going to plug into my new control panel, which I fitted in the back of my van as shown in one of my last videos. So first thing I think I should do is put the submersible pump straight in the water container. So just drop that in there, put that in the bottom, great. And then this is the other thing I forgot to show you. So this is the shower head holder, and it's got one of those suckers on the back, sort of. So I'm going to put that up here on the fake window. Should be nice and tight, and then get this shower head up there like that. Perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do is plug this 12-volt lighter plug in the back of my control panel and then turn it on. Now, here we go. It's starting. Let's turn it off for a second. Right, now if I turn it back on, right, she's starting to piddle out. But if we press that, it falls off. See, definitely wanted that to happen, didn't I? Let's get it back up there. There we go. So that's on the full setting. Obviously that is freezing cold water, but for a 12-volt shower, I think that's pretty good. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop that and actually give it a quick try. It'll be freezing cold as well. This is quite refreshing. Bit of cold water. Good advert for this shower. Right. At least it's summer. Right, so that is actually loads of water because I've shown you exactly how to use it first and let it run for ages. Then I've just taken a shower. I know I've got no hair and I don't use shampoo and all that, but I've still got, I would say, about 3 or 4 litres left. So I'd say I've used no more than 3 litres myself. So you could easily get 3 people showered on that. And that was on max, don't forget. So I'd definitely rate that 10 out of 10, especially that I had that on the max power. That's the car magazine max power, but yeah, it was on max. On minimum, you probably easily wash about 10-15 people. Like I say, it's still got loads of water left. I'm going to fill this bag up just to see if this is waterproof, because you might even be able to get away with using this as well. Let's have a go. Is it leaking? Do you know what? That bag doesn't even seem to leak. So, if you didn't want to get a container, you might well be alright. Put the pump in, give it a go. Oh, the camera's gone now. But look, that appears to still be working whilst in that bag. So you could actually hang this bag up and use that as a water container. I'm not sure if this bag was designed for that purpose, but that seems to be alright. Right, I better get dried up, pack this away before I get a cold out here, and then yeah, carry on to the next bit. So like, if you was like on the beach, say, and you wanted to, I'm still using that bag, and you wanted to like get rid of all the sand and stuff on your feet, you could no doubt use it for that as well. Also, your muddy dog might want to have a go. And then when you're done, you just pack it away. It's got a little bit of a sticking out bit of rubber there. You can just pull that. Look at that. Hasn't even left any mess. I've even cleaned the van with it. I'm just going to wrap that all back up, put it back in the bag, and then yeah, ready to be stored away. Oh, the last thing I was going to say, this has a hook on it. So if you've got like a pop-up tent like my one, but if it's got like a ring on the inside, you can use that to hang the shower from on the inside. So obviously if you didn't want to do it out in the open like me just then, you could use this in your pop-up tent. Yeah. Little tip here, before you pack it away, just give it a little, sort of like a little shake, because a load of water would just come out as I was shaking it. There you go. Just to make sure you don't get any inside of your bag. Right, so that's that now. I feel nice and energised after my cold shower. Just going to clean that camera, it's a bit dirty. I will leave a link where you can get my stripy shorts from if you are interested. No, I'm only kidding. If you want to get this 12-volt shower, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also leave a link for one of these storage containers and this lovely Nivea shower gel that I used whilst making this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Cheers and bye.